Hello, you okay? I've been looking online the last couple of days, and I was looking at a camping stove that you can obviously you set fire in it, and it's got a little unit on the side which creates a current from the heat, and you plug your USB charger into it and charge your phone up. But they're about 150 quid, so I thought there must be a cheaper way of doing it. So I've done a little bit of research online, and it works. This what we've done here actually works, and it's cost me about £6 to make it at the most. So basically it uses thermodynamics. So the heat off a fire or a candle passes up through and disperses real quick, and that speed of energy transfer creates an electrical current. So what I've done is I've got an old beans can, drilled some holes in it for airflow. I've picked up a thing called a peltier plate, which you can buy off eBay for a couple of quid. And these things are the same things that you use in those USB coffee warmers. But what we're doing here is in reverse. So instead of putting current into it to create heat, we're putting heat into it to create current. And the other thing is, it only creates about 1 volt, and we need 5 volts to charge a mobile phone. So I bought another thing off eBay for £1. And this converts, it's a step-up converter, so it converts 1 volt to 5. And then this thing here is something I've had knocking about for a while, and this measures the amount of voltage coming out of a USB port. I've used that with my computer quite a few times, so they're about £5. So we'll give it a go. So I'll pop that on there. It usually takes about a minute or so to get warm, and we'll know if it starts. If it starts lighting up, we know we're in business. It takes a few minutes just to get up to that. There we go. So there we go. I don't know whether you can see on there. We're getting up to 4.4, 4.5. So this thing here is doing its job. There we go. We're at 5 volts. So now we're at 5 volts. I'll see if I can charge up just a little mobile phone, but you should be able to charge any phone up with it. So plug it in. Charger connected. There you go, and as you can see, it's charging the phone up. If it focuses in right, there we go. That's it, so it's charging. So there you go, it works. So I reckon it was about 6 or 7 quid altogether. I thought it's quite good if you go camping, or especially the guys over in the States at the moment with all the weather they've been having. When you've had your lecky knocked out, is you can pick up most of these bits around the house. The only other thing you don't have generally is the peltier plate, but if you do have one of those USB coffee warmers, take it apart, one of them's inside. Free electricity.